What is the difference between a reference and pointer? See, pointer stores the address of the variable it is pointing. For example, if you have int a equals 5. So when we put a pointer, say int p, it will store the address of a. Wherever a is stored, that is 5 is stored, what is the address of that a? That will be stored in the pointer. Pointer always have the address of that variable. It's a memory location. So pointer will always have the memory location. But reference is all about aliases. When we create a reference to say a here, int a equals 5, we are creating a reference. So what you have done is you just put a ampersand and assign it to some other value. That is, you are making two memory location. A is having 5, and then there will be one more location which is referred by, or which is pointed by the value you have referred. For example, you have a and b here, and b is nothing but ampersand a. B is equal to ampersand a. So b is just an alias for this a. So you don't have to give any pointer kind of thing. This is just a alias on different name. This Ronnie means Bunty, like this. Pointer cannot be, this can be initialized to any value anytime after it is declared. Like you have done EA equals 5, you will just do E int star P and then you can initialize it. But reference must be initialized when it is declared. If you are declaring it, it needs to be initialized. For example, ampersand reference, you have to put certain A here. Then only it will work. Reference need to be initialized. Pointer can be assigned to point to a null value, no problem. Reference cannot be null. Reference is just an alias, a different name for the same value. Then the pointer need to be dereferenced with a star. You see here, you have a star. References can be used simply by the name. The pointer can be changed to point to any variable of the same type. That is, you can have a pointer p, then you can have a pointer say ptr, and you can you can give the address to ptr also, or exchange the address to ptr. But once a reference is initialized to a variable, it cannot be changed to refer to a variable object. It cannot be done. Okay, so because this is just an alias, you cannot have a third alias like Ronnie means Bunty means Chintu. That will not happen.